Welcome to the in front of me DOOGEE X95, and I'll show you how to check battery health on that device. So first let's open the Play Store application. And now in the search pool enter the Ampere. So tap to install now to get this application. And wait a couple of seconds while this application will downloading and then installing on your device. So then just tap to open the application. Click yes, I agree, pick close. On the left down corner tap to OK, and here we can see the information about our battery health. So the health is staying in good condition, and also you can find here more information like the level, temperature, where Android version, model, capacity, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.